Welcome to my channel Tech W. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common issue, which is sign-in issue in Acrobat Pro DC application, or you can say sign-in loop. So every time you launch the application, you can see this sign-in window, and it will ask you to sign in again and again, even though you have already signed in. So you can see at top and right corner, you can see the round circle here. I'm just trying to show you through the mouse, and if you click on here, you'll see the email address with which I've already signed in with. But every time you launch it, every time you try to open the application or launch the application, you can see, even though I have signed in here, you can see the round circle, the avatar. It will ask me to sign in again and again, and you can see the sign in windows comes up every time you launch the application. You can see here. So how to fix this? How to fix the issue? Let me show you how to reset or fix the host file. So all we have to do is, you can just go to the search bar here and type run, RUN. Click on run. Run dialog box will open. Type in drivers. Click on OK. This window will open. You have to click on etc. You can see the host file. Just by using your mouse, drag on to the desktop. Okay, for Mac users, I will show you how to locate the host file. So all you have to do is, for Mac users, you can just open the Finder on your Mac, click go in the top menu bar, then choose go to folder, type private and then etc into the box and press return. Look for the file name host and drag that host file on the desktop. After dragging the host file on the desktop, right click on it and open with Notepad. For Mac users, you have to open with text edit. Again, for the Mac users, you need to open with the text edit. For Windows, we need to open with Notepad. So we will open with the Notepad and we will check the Adobe entries. Because Adobe entries are the entries, if these entries are there in the host file, so it's blocking the Adobe server, and therefore it's giving the sign-in loop issue. So you can see how many Adobe entries are there: adobe.com, activate.adobe.com. All these Adobe entries are here. So all you have to do is, you need to delete all these Adobe entries. Right? You do not have to delete this, or you do not have to delete this. You can just delete it from here. So you can just select it by the help of your mouse. You can also use the shift button and just use the down arrow button. So all these Adobe entries are selected. Now I'll hit the delete button and all the Adobe entries are deleted. Host file have been reset. Okay, and in order to save the changes, you need to press the Ctrl S. So the changes what you have made, it will be saved in that particular host file. For Mac users, you can use the command S in order to save the changes. I'll hit the Ctrl S. I'll close the window. Drag the host file back to the original location under this etc. So I showed you how to go to the host file drivers and then etc. So you have the host file should be under the drivers. Okay, now close the window, and again we will try to launch Acrobat application and check whether it has fixed the issue. Okay, in my case it's working here. So in your case, if it is not working, then what you have to do is, again you can try the third step. The third step is going to be removing the credential. So you have to type in the search bar, bottom left corner, credential manager. So you can see the credential manager is here. Open this. In the credential manager, you need to click on Windows credential. Once you click on Windows credential, you will see some credential related to Adobe. For example, you can see here the Adobe credential dummy. You need to remove it. Click on yes. So in my case, there was only Adobe dummy credential and I deleted this. But in your case, there may be many Adobe credential which will be in the name of you can see here, which will be in the name of Adobe App Info, Adobe User Info, or for Mac OS, in order to check the Adobe credential, you need to open Kitchen Access via Application Utilities and select Login in the top left corner and find Delete Entries which says Adobe User Profile, Adobe User OS. So wherever you see Adobe App Info, Adobe User Info, you need to delete those Adobe entries. In my case, there was only one, which is Adobe dummy credential. I have deleted it. I'll show you how to delete it. You need to just click on the tiny arrow button here and then click on remove. That will be removed. So that's how you clear the credentials for Mac as well as for Windows. So this was the third step you can try. After trying all these steps, your issue must be fixed. If it is not getting fixed, kindly let me know in the comment. I will share you the other steps how to fix this, but I am sure that will fix the issue. I hope it has worked for you. Kindly subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment if you know, if you need any help regarding this issue. I'll reply you with the steps. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a great day ahead, guys. Take care.